But man, it has helped expand my wardrobe. Today I have a very personal question for you. And the question is, do you suffer from excessive sweating? A shirt like this would probably be pitted out by now, or if you do, then we have something in common, because I have that same problem. Before I discovered what I'm about to share with you, and no, this is not any kind of a paid promotional video, I just feel like I'm doing you a public service by letting you know about this product that I have. So anyway, before I use this, when I was in my 20s, I would pit out like every single shirt. Even if it wasn't close to my armpits, that sweat would somehow get down there. And it was to the point where I had to wear like loose clothes all the time, and if I wanted to like go on a date or look nice, I couldn't wear anything like tight fitting or anything, so it kind of looked frumpy all the time. And then my friend told me about this product, and it's been on the market for years. Let me get it for you. This product is called Certain Dri, and it says it's prescription clinical strength. It also says that it lasts 72 hours. This is an antiperspirant. It's not a deodorant, it has no smell, and you also put it on at night. So let me tell you a little bit about it, and then we'll be done with the video, because I just want to share this with you and let you know my experience with it. I want to review it with you, and I want to do how to use it with you. So once you decide to purchase some, you'll know exactly how it works. So first, we'll just go ahead and open this box. I just got this box delivered to me from Amazon, and if you would like to get some too, I will leave an affiliate link below for you to purchase this off of Amazon. And affiliate means that I get like a teeny little cut. Like for this, I'd probably get like 2 cents, I don't know. But it helps the channel out, so it would be great if you do decide to buy it, to buy it from my link. Help us both out. But let me go ahead and open it. So this is the box it comes in, normal things, directions, whatnot. I do want to say I am not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a cosmetologist, so check with your doctor first if you feel there might be a problem. I'm not saying like for sure go out and use this. This might cause you to get a rash or something. I don't know. Any product you use could cause you to have an allergic reaction. But I am telling you from my personal experience, it has like saved my, I don't want to say saved my life, but life is not all about like fashion. Man, it has helped expand my wardrobe. And like, I wish somebody would have told me about it sooner, because when I was in my teens, and then like I said, in my 20s, I was struggling. This product actually will work for men or women. It doesn't care what gender you are. It will stop you from sweating. I know this is so exciting, right? Okay, 'cause I'm unboxing some deodorant. I never thought I'd be unboxing deodorant, whatever. Anyway, so here's the package. It has like instructions and whatnot in there. We don't use those around here. But it comes in a bottle just like this. You do need to shake it really well first. Okay, so once you do that, then you should be good to go. So now you are going to just open it, and it comes as a roll-on. What you will do is before you go to bed at night, you will put it on your armpit. And I would suggest don't put on too much. Like, don't just get all crazy with it where it's dripping down your side or anything, because you can get crazy with it. And if you put on too much, it is going to make your armpit itch. Also, it might make your armpit itch a little bit when you put it on. But if your armpit like starts, breaking out in a rash or feeling like it's burning, then obviously wash it off as fast as you can and probably contact a doctor to make sure you're good. I haven't heard of anything like that happening, but as your fellow YouTuber friend, I hope we're friends by now. Like, you've been subscribed for a while, right? Oh, by the way, if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any more uploads. I upload videos about wigs, creative living, home decor, fashion, you name it. If it's creative, you'll find it here. But anyway, the Certain Dri, back to our originally scheduled program, you roll it on at night, and then in the morning, I usually put on some deodorant anyway. Like, I'll use some Secret with like jasmine flavor, or not jasmine flavor. I don't eat my deodorant, I promise. Jasmine smell or whatever, just for the smell of it, or even just, spray on some body spray. You literally your armpit will be dry. And if it doesn't work the very first time you use it, just use it again the next night. So you don't have to use it every night. It says 72 hours, so you pretty much use it every 3 days. Who has ever heard of an antiperspirant that you put on every 3 days and it actually works? But I've been using Certain Dri for so long, about 20 years now, that I put it on like once a month and I am good to go. I don't have issues with sweating. If you have any kind of issues with sweating, like right here and it's embarrassing or whatever, or like for us ladies, well, I'm not blessed right there, but anyway, it still gets sweaty. So if you're looking to kind of get rid of some of that, this will help as well. So you obviously don't want to put this everywhere on your body because it is clogging something to make the sweat not come out. That's why I say do contact your doctor. If you have questions about using it. Also, if you are pregnant or nursing, be sure to contact your doctor because this does have aluminum chloride 12%. And aluminum chloride, for a lot of gals, especially the gals that are more natural, they don't want to have any kind of anything in their system when they're breastfeeding or pregnant. And I mean, I was once I still am a mom, but I'm not breastfeeding or pregnant. I hope it does not look like I am. I mean, the pregnant part, awkward, change the conversation. Anyway, if you are interested in purchasing some Certain Dri, go ahead and check out the link in the description. I just wanted to let you guys know about Certain Dri. It came in the mail. I wasn't even planning on doing a video on it. And then I thought, like, there might be, some of you out there, some of my subscribers or viewers, and if you're not subscribed and you're viewing, you should just subscribe. It's kind of, would be nice. But anyway, I just figured some of you guys might want to know about this. I figured some of you might have the same problem as me. And it sucks. So anyway, that is the end of this video. Like I said, be sure to subscribe. Hit like. It really does help push my video out to more folks that enjoy this type of content. And with this being such an informative video about something that can actually change your life, I would really appreciate it if you would share this with anybody that you know and hit the like button to push it out to other people that might have the same question, how can I stop perspiring so much? So I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic, beautiful day. Peace out.